And just like that, it's the 80th week of my renovation. This week is mostly a people week with Mother's Day and a bunch of running, but I do get some drywall hung up downstairs, so let's get cracking. As I prepare for my Ultra in September, I'm starting to add a lot of weekly mileage. So I do a 14-mile loop at Marshall Mesa after work, and then it's back to my house to hang a little bit more drywall. This sheet that I'm cutting out has a lot of holes for the various plumbing and gas lines in the laundry room for the hot water heater and the laundry. Before I knew it, it was Friday night, and I was camping with my friends Tyler and Amanda in Golden Gate Canyon State Park, which is basically right outside Golden. You can actually see Red Rocks and the Bandimere Speedway there in the background. I got some okay sleep in my car, and Tyler and I woke up bright and early at 5 a.m. So at 5 a.m., we're going to go out and run 25 miles was the plan. I ended up running just over 26. I actually got a little over a marathon in on this run, but we just kind of ran all around the campgrounds. Tyler always wears his little hat to prevent sunburns, and it was a great run. Beautiful weather. You can see Denver in the background there, and just a pleasant run with a lot of miles. Sunday was Mother's Day, so I didn't really get anything done on the house this weekend, but sometimes it's just nice to hang out with your people and do something other than work on the house. So I was hanging out with my niece Lila and Willow, and of course my mom and dad and my sister Sarah, just hanging out in her backyard, enjoying the sun, and had a really nice Sunday. This week finishes off by consolidating all of my technology and desks and things into what will eventually become the home theater. I add just enough electrical outlets to support the computer hardware and networking hardware I need to continue my operations here at the house, give those outlets a quick test, and at this point I'm basically a professional, so no problems there. And then I do run in an Ethernet line so I can have internet to my server hardware and my networking hardware. I'll eventually do a proper Cat 8 line into the room, but for now, Cat 6 will be plenty good. Mike helps me set up my desk there, and I am done for the week. I'll see you back next week for some more work.